Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set Safari to display websites in desktop mode or mobile mode on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings we're going to go down and tap on Safari. In Safari you want to go down and tap on request desktop website. In here you can switch it off or switch it on. Okay, so if we switch it on and if I go to my browser, you can see at the moment it will display everything in desktop mode. It's very tiny and very small. And if I switch it off and I go back into here and I refresh the page, this time it will display the content in a mobile version, and that's it. Now some sites do not support mobile, so sometimes it is ideally to request desktop in a to request a website to display in a desktop mode. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.